YouTube here, and today I am doing I'm basically doing that. I'm doing a Hypixel Skywars with a few people. I'm doing it with Harrison1908. Never mind. And I'm doing it with Let's Joshi!
Yay!
You sound like a 7-year-old squeaker on Call of Duty.
That's because my throat is really sore.
Okay, nobody cares. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna cry now.
Okay. Cue this room. Ah!
I'm just gonna cry in this corner.
Okay.
Everyone go in the corner. Everyone go in the corner.
What the
This
heck?
guy is following me.
I'll
And
follow
then
you.
this guy just flying around like in the center, like.
Must be so
I
much
don't
warmer
care.
outside my house than it is inside. It's boiling.
I know, yeah.
Down the ladder. Okay, I shouldn't have gone down that ladder. If I could get something, I would be highly grateful.
You can get. I'll give you a stone
Aha, I found
shovel.
chest. I had the sharpness 1 sword, but no armor.
Oh, do you remember that day? Do you remember that day when I was recording? Not recording.
Yeah,
When I was doing that challenge like years ago. The diamond shovel.
Oh no, don't bring back that.
I haven't hit you with the diamond shovel.
Please.
Oh, back in the day with the diamond shovel.
Dun, dun, dun.
I made it.
I made it.
Well, we're just off our individual parts. Why am I getting 11 FPS?
Lol.
Right, guys. I haven't
I'm
got.
2 render distance.
I'm
Whee!
on 32.
Oh, that's why.
I had it on for a map. We were playing a map.
Woo!
That didn't even work.
Ah! Fell off.
Ooh, I died.
That was amazing.
Diamond guy.
That squeaker voice is amazing.
Oh, cheers! He just gave me regen. What a G.
He's nearly dead.
I died.
I can just see you like spawning into where I am. is D3 still alive? If we all die, are we staying in to see how our team do? Or
All
we
of us
just back
died.
to the
All
hub?
of
Yeah,
us died.
no, we're gonna see how
Go
our team
back
does.
to the hub. Oh god. I'm actually shivering. It's so cold in my house. It's actually unreal.
I just shivered, and then the whole screen just
Should we
jerked.
join a rank game,
Sorry?
like together?
Hang on. What did you just say?
My screen jerked. But it's just
Oh,
like,
right.
ooh.
Okay.
Anyway,
let's
no,
go
do mega so that we're all in the team together. Because we're all in this together.
We're criticizing thingies. Right, everyone everyone stand on the block. Everyone stand on the block with the torch. Right, we need to discuss some things. I am your owner.
What's this guy doing here? Queen Courtney.
Hi! Sounded like a goose.
So we've got lethal PvP, the ultimate pleb, and Zoomy Star.
This guy's name in chat, K23. What an OG name.
Yes.
Kenshin.
Frank Gamer XX with a girl skin.
I remember when Block we had a girl skin.
Mugger.
Why have we got 4 people?
Why not?
Oh god.
We got Preston Plays. He's a YouTuber.
Yeah, he's the best purr you'll ever see. Why has someone just put John Cena in the chat?
My name's John Cena.
Da 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 da.
Thank you.
for God's
Thank you. Come again.
That's it. Move.
Look where I fell. Come on, look where I fell. Look where I fell, guys. Guys, look where I fell. I fell. I nearly fell off.
I hate this map. Shall we cross over to their island?
I hate all maps
people
on
next
Mega.
I hate chicken. I love it too.
I do. Don't be.
Don't
Please.
you
It'd be
dare
like
this chicken.
Woo! Guys, problem.
Run! Run!
Oh, thank you. Thanks, guys.
You're welcome.
Die trying to save your life.
Right, look. Like, do you believe I can fly? Because I believe I can fly. I think, again.
Right.
I'm not back. I spawned back, but I took fall damage.
No.
But I think it's so.
You're the only one alive on the team. We were supposed to have 5, but for some reason we had 4. Don't ask me
Let's
why.
go, boys.
That was so close.
Smash that regen.
Dun, 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 dun.
What? A player has been removed from your game?
Dun, dun, dun,
Good.
Wait, did you see what I just
dun,
did?
dun,
Yes.
dun, dun,
Yeah, with your leather armor.
dun,
Do you believe
dun,
you can
dun,
fly?
dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, never mind.
How did he hit me?
Right, can we just do like how about we do a solo game so we're all against each other and we all have to go for each other if we see.
Yeah, that's fine.
Well, throw everyone into it, literally throw.
So you'll do a solo game?
Does anyone know what the temperature is today?
It is accurately 17.23
In a solo
centimeters.
game, insane, mate.
Centimeters. I'm talking about degrees. I'm gonna have to go
That's what
all
I
the
meant.
way halfway across my room to get my tablet. That's annoying. And I'm gonna miss out on the spawn chest to see it's 14. Okay, that's alright.
No, it's not.
I believe
It's 14's alright.
That's freezing.
14's not free. It's gonna warm up. Have you seen?
Mate, I've got a sharp 2 diamond sword. Get ready.
I've got a sharp 4 diamonds. 4 diamond sword.
I've got a sharp 7. It's not even possible.
Yeah, I think you've been playing too many UHCs.
Yeah, I have.
Right, as my whole team died on me. I know we're playing solo, aren't we?
You're a muppet.
No.
Oh yeah,
Can we do like
Harrison.
a solo, proper solo, not mega solo, insane or whatever the hell it's called?
It's called chicken.
Tuesday.
I don't know the sneak because of y'all. Because of me.
I'm scared. I'm just gonna see one of you.
When you trap
Oh, no, you can't target me. You can't target me.
I trapped myself.
I'm getting sandwiched.
I trapped
Big
myself
dog,
on my
big
enchantment table in my room, so then I can't get out, and I'm having to punch my enchantment table in order to get out.
Oh,
I'm such a pro.
that sounds very fun.
I'm
Punching
such a
an
pro.
Oh,
Do it. Oh, and of course, for pickaxe, I could have got
you like the sound effects?
dun 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 dun.
Like I don't even know who the party host is, but whoever it is after, can you put us in a normal game, not an insane?
Thank you very much. Come again.
No see.
Dun, dun,
I
dun.
think this guy's got aimbot.
You can't blame everyone in the world.
What the heck? Yeah, no, that guy's aimbot.
You were thrown into the void. It's only D3 left. Why are you on your island still?
There's this guy above him.
Oh, are you playing it like that? Like all the noobs play it?
No, he blocked me in.
Be like the new
How about you mine the block underneath you? I think that'd go well.
hacks, reach hacks.
Oh, you nearly fell off the island.
He's gonna boost on you. Health 33%.
Why doesn't he just jump down? He knows how low you are. Right, right, whoever it is, can you join?
Let's
whoever
get
can-
right.
Join a solo, normal, please. That'll be helpful.
Oh, sorry.
He sounded like a YouTuber then.
Oh.
Okay, we're in a solo normal mode.
Woo! Woo!
Ah, I'm not even
Why are we
looking.
in insane?
Wow.
Oh, come on! I'm dead!
Wow.
So
Say
tired
you're just
right
good at
over
video
to my
games.
island. I didn't even have enough time to look in one chest. He had the ecologist and just dived over.
Let me slide in your
Mate, I've got a
ears.
prop 3 diamond chest blanket out
Get
on my
lost! Ah!
He just got GG10.
I didn't get GG10.
Yes, he did. Yeah, don't deny it.
He was on. Oh, he was on 4.
For what?
4 hearts. No, not 4 hearts.
Is that why he's on 15 health?
fire. Did anybody just spectate me?
I'm spectating you now. I don't know what's going on. I can see you dying here, like, die. Why has he put a fence post up? Oh, is that original? Oh, that was original there. Please fall off the map, please fall off the map, please fall off the map. Please die, please die,
Damn it.
die. Please die, please die. Aww.
Aw, why'd you have to be so pro?
Why'd you gotta be
Can I just point out, none of us have won a game yet.
I know.
Free.
None of us have even got down to a final 1v1 in a game yet.
Power free.
Hi, Harrison.
There's a plane storming past my window. That's all I can hear. I can't even hear what you're saying. So
Get
shut
a power free.
This is
Stay
gonna,
like,
right,
no,
guys. This is gonna be like the last little bit.
no, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. You're doing another one.
All right, okay.
I never do flower power, yeah, bro.
All right. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. Thank you.
Thank you. I'll
you.
come again.
I said that at the end. Thank you.
Hey, I just poisoned this guy.
Have you actually stopped?
No, I've not stopped yet. I've just said that.
Right, do one more game. I'm being serious now. If the next game's not normal, I'm leaving the party and just
Well,
doing a
just please
team's
explain.
normal with D3.
What even is that fight?
How are you GG? What? No, yeah, you're hacking. Oh, you're gonna win the game, aren't you? And then you're gonna brag about it all day. Just like you brag about how you've got 2K. I'm joking.
I haven't got 2K.
I know. No, there's a guy. I've just looked at the other guy. He's like in lava, but he's got fire resistance.
Where is he?
I
Where is he?
don't really know.
He's
Right,
like,
Deranged, are you spectating?
yeah. He's on
Right.
He's on the other side.
The whole map looks the same.
I know.
I hate this map.
He's in full diamond with enchanted diamond sword and he's lagging.
You can take him. Take. You can take him.
Wait, get in front of him. It blocks the arrow.
It's just really hard. Wait, let me concentrate. real quick. Let me concentrate. Okay.
You must have lagged.
You
Thanks for watching
harvested
this
no
video. Please don't
souls.
forget to
Oh, that's
leave a like.